I am going to demonstrate how to create histogram using Excel. It is pretty easy in the newest version of Excel. Let's go to this column. This is the data we want to use. Insert. Histogram is this one. This one is column bar. Click histogram. Now we got a histogram. The next step is to do some adjustment. Click one bar in the track. And format data serials. Go to bins. Choose bin width. We want the bin width, the increment is 10%. That means 0.1 overflowed bin. Then that means the ending bin. Since this data, the maximum is 45.38%. So we want the ending bin is 0.4, and underflowed bin, it means the beginning bin. Since the minimum of this data set is negative 7.74%, so we want the beginning bin, the first bin, to be negative 0.5. That's all. Enter. Now we got the histogram. It looks pretty clear. Let's click the one bar in the chart and add data labels. We got the frequency distribution at every class interval, and we can make the chart look bigger. And then for the axis label, if we want this number to be percentage, we just click one of the number here and go to format axis and go to number, go to category here, check percentage and decimal place 0. Okay, that's all. We got a pretty histogram, and if we make bigger, just want to make bigger. Looks perfectly. And the last step is just put the track title. Let's just type AAPL. And other way to create a histogram is in the old version of Excel. Let's go to data, go to the data analysis tab. if you do not see a data analysis tab here, you just go to tool and then here go to Excel, add in and select it and click OK. I already selected. So let's go to data analysis tab. Click it and choose. Go to here that you can do a whole bunch of data analysis. Here, this is different kind of tool. We just pick histogram and click OK. Or click OK here. Look at here. There's we need to have input range and bit range. So we need to create the bin a bin first. Let's go to create the bin here. Look at the maximum data and the minimum data for the data set we want to create a histogram. And for safety, the bin we want the bin include all the data points. So the minimum bin shall be -16, and the second increment we just 10%, so -15%. Okay, and then drag down because the maximum data is 45.38%, so we don't need this. I can clean this one. Okay, now we have the bin and go to data again. Data analysis histogram, click OK. The input range, we need to this column, this data. If you just click here, that doesn't work. We need to give Excel exactly from which cell to which cell. So we need to put the number in from cell 5 to cell 462. Remember the dollar sign in front of the letter and the number. And then the bin range, make sure we choose this one. Highlight the bin. And then output range, we want to output our histogram here. And then chart output, we want the chart. And click OK. Look, we got the frequency table and as well as the histogram, but this histogram doesn't look appealing. So we need to do some adjustment. Click the area here and then format data serials and then go to the gap width. Remember, histogram doesn't have gap, so go to 0. Now we got looks small. perfect, but still need to do some adjustment. And here, let's look at, let's make bigger. And this one, we don't want it. Delete. Okay. And you can beautify this histogram by add the title and adjust the axis. Anyway, this is two ways to create histogram, and actually you can create the histogram, any kind of histogram that meet your need. For example, I create a histogram using the normal distribution. This is the mean of the data set, this point, 2.81%, this is the mean. These 2 points actually is one standard deviation about the mean, and this 2 is 2 standard deviation about the mean, and these 2 points symmetry is 3 standard deviation about the mean. So let's go to another data table to create a histogram and other math. These 2 columns data I download from this website, census website, and actually this data is surveyed income inequality survey complete in 2016 in the US, and this 3 column I just curious. I'm just curious to calculate these 3 columns. Let's create a histogram for these 2 columns. We just highlight the data and insert histogram. Oh, no, we already have a histogram. The next step is adjustment. So click one bar, format data cells, and bins. Here we choose by category. By category, Excel automatically add the category here. And then let's make this chart bigger. Yeah, we already got the histogram. Look, so easy. And this is, let's put the chart title on. Just say income distribution. From this histogram, we can conclude that the income distribution in the US doesn't follow normal distribution. Look at this bar, no income is pretty high and the richest also the bar is pretty high. So we definitely have income inequality here.